In front of me is Apple iPad Air from 2020, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings and go to the general. Now let's find and pick language and region, and here just click on iPad language. And if you would like to change it, just pick the language from the following list. So here you've got it all. You can also search for it, and let me choose for example Greek. Tap on continue. Wait a couple of seconds until it's done, and that's it. As you can see, it has been set up, so now you can smoothly use the device in Greek. YT. Okay, so let me do it this way. And if you would like to go back to English or maybe change the language one more time, just select iPad. Sorry, not this one. I'm not that good in Greek, I guess. It shouldn't be here. No, it's there in time. Okay, so here we've got it, and now select iPad language and pick the one that you want to apply. So let me go back to English. Wait until it's applied, and as you can see now you can smoothly use your device in English again. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can change language in your iPad. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.